Hello, Baker.
We have interviewed some students around the school, asking them some questions about Veterans Day.
Freedoms to have the right to do whatever you want.
Freedom for me means to be able to do what you want to do whenever you want to do it and have the right to whatever your body wants to do.
Not being controlled by anybody and just go at it.
I think freedom means no school.
And like free will, like letting people do what they want to do, like respecting that.
It means the Bill of Rights, freedom of speech, freedom of the press, all those freedoms that we've been learning about in Mr. Hart's class.
A lot of what he said, it means kind of like being free, being able to like, say what you want, do what you want.
Liberty.
Live freely.
Say our thanks to the people that fought for us when we needed them the most.
We just support the people who have served in the Army.
Well, usually, sometimes my family goes out to dinner. We sometimes just chill at home, but we usually do something.
We kind of gather around my family and talk about the good things that happened because one of them's passed away. And so we just kind of celebrate the times that have happened.
Go hang out with my grandpa. Yeah. On Easter, when I went, Easter egg hunting when I was little with my grandpa.
My dad, he was a veteran. He stopped because he had a family that he needed to be there for. So he was a veteran, and that's my memory of any veteran.
My uncle, and I've paid respect to him.
For me, I don't really have anyone in the veterans community, but I do have to, analyze everybody that is, and I do pay my respects to everyone that is in the veterans community and whoever has served in the Army. For me, my brother worked at Chair 9, and there was this guy who always worked there, and he was always very sweet to me, and he would give me all of his stories back when he was in war. He was a very old, sweet guy, and I always loved talking to him. It was very nice.
My uncle didn't like to talk about it a whole lot. He was injured in a war, and I'm pretty sure he worked for the Navy. But like I said, he doesn't like talking about it, and that's all I know. But we do have a couple pictures of him.
Well, I was very young, but my great-grandpa was a veteran in World War II, so I met him, but I was like 3 years old, so I don't really remember.
Yeah, my grandpa too, but I don't really have a lot of stories to share about him.
A lot, because my grandpa was in the World War II, and my dad was in the National Guard.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We want to take this time to honor and appreciate veterans.
And thank everyone for their service.